that the mind is not in the brain. And all the diseases are in the mind. And when you know that, you can change your mind to change your body. Your body is your mind. Remember that? In quantum physics, matter is energy, energy is matter. It's not different. This was found out by Hans-Peter Dior way back in 2004. When he wrote the paper and got the Nobel Prize. His paper you can read. Matter is not made out of matter. Please read that. It's for lay people. Matter is not made out of matter. And his name is Hans, H-A-N-S, Peter, P-E-T-R, D-U-R-R, Dior. And he writes, I quote, I'm a nuclear scientist. What's my job? Look at matter at its subtlest level. I've been doing it for 55 years. One day I find there is no matter at all. So I call it as the A duality and get my Nobel Prize. But look at these Indian sages who called it thousands of years ago as Advaita and described quantum physics in one stanza, and I am their student. Who writes that? Today if you say that, they'll say you must be a saffron or something like that in India. All our English educated people think Indian is bad. Most of us are RNIs. Do you know RNI? Resident non-Indians. We sit here and think with American brain. Now Americans think with Indian brain. And Hans-Peter Dior says, I learned science from the Indian wisdom. And one sentence he describes the whole of quantum physics. Vahirantascha bhutanam. Energy is inside and outside of everything. Charam acharame vacha. Energy is all the time moving. You all look solid. You are nothing solid about you. You are a bundle of jumping electrons. But you look solid. That's called Maya. He so beautifully describes that. Sukshmavate tavijnayam. It is so subtle that nobody can see it. No scientist till today has seen an electron. But we describe an electron. People have got Nobel Prize for saying electrons are particles. His own son after 30 years got a Nobel Prize for saying electrons are waves. And some other person said electrons are wavicles, waves and particles. And electrons are, we don't know what they are. Everybody got Nobel Prize. But the truth is, nobody has seen an electron. Nobody can see an electron. Sukshmavate tavijnayam. No vijnana, no science can find out an electron for a simple reason. Can you see God? No. Have you seen God? Have you felt God? Ah, good. God cannot be seen like electron. But you can feel the electron. If there is no electron, what I speak here, you will not hear. It's all electrons. But I can't see the electron because to see anything, supposing I want to see Kader, a few photons in Kader's body must leave and come and hit my eye. Then only I can see. Then he becomes aware. He becomes, I am aware of Kader's presence. But if one electron leaves, one neutron, photon leaves an electron changes. So by the time you see, it's a different thing. That is why Werner Heisenberg said, PQ is not equivalent to QP. That's called the uncertainty principle, the greatest thing in science. He says, 2 into 3 may be 6 now, but 3 into 2 need not be 6. PQ is not equivalent to QP. You can't know the electron at all. When once you know all these things, and once you understand the human mind, and that's where I think every system of medicine teaching must have 1 year of human psychology teaching. Whether you're MBBS, BMS, naturopathy, homeopathy, any pathy, you must be taught to have sympathy and empathy. And when you have empathy and sympathy, I'll tell you 2 experiments recently done to show how true this is. They found, now Western science has found out its hollowness and is trying to go in search of old wisdom. Now scientists are studying a race of people called Sumane. Simane are a group of aboriginals living in the Amazon forest, deep down in the Amazon forest, hundreds of miles inside. They have not touched reality. They don't have clothes, but they live up to 100, 120 years. They deliver there, no cesarean section, children are all alive, and they live 100 years. Now scientists are slowly going there to find out how they are living. Of course, it's very difficult because they are ferocious people. They think you are all this dress, They think you are something fancy dress and you are not human beings. They are absolutely naked, stark naked. But scientists are befriending them. A few scientists were killed by them. But still scientists are befriending them, find out how they found. They found one thing. Their mind is absolutely filled with love. So no disease can enter them.